always at here. Today, we observe Sadbhavna Divas celebrated on 20 August to remember the birth anniversary of our former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. The word Sadbhavna means goodwill, harmony and peace. This day reminds us that India's strength lies in unity in diversity. We belong to different religions, languages and cultures, but together we form one nation. On this occasion, let us take a pledge to spread friendship. We can make our school, our society and our country stronger. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Jay. Now invite Rudra to share news to her hour.
Good morning. Today's news, international news. First, U.S. actions. ICC President senior trial lawyer in latest attack on court. Second, Trump says U.S. and Canada strike bill temporarily pauses rapid.
I solemnly affirm that I will work for the emotional oneness and harmony of all the people of India, region, religion, or language. I shall resolve all differences through dialogue and constitutional means without resorting to violence. In my daily life.
Okay, respected teachers and my dear students and friends. Today we are celebrating birth of India, late Rajiv Gandhi. We celebrate this day in his memories as Sadbhavna Divas. What is Sadbhavna? Sadbhavna means good thoughts, good feelings about others. Somehow we can say about holding kindness for others in your heart is Sadbhavna. And peace in our mind and heart. Any kind of discrimination we shouldn't hold in our heart. That is Sadbhavna. So today we pay homage to late Rajiv Gandhi, offering flowers to his image. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Teachers and teachers.
GPS उसका अपडेट के लिए आ गया वो